The state of Georgia is accused of discriminating against Puerto Ricans trying to get driver's licenses. A new lawsuit filed by a Latino civil rights group alleges Puerto Ricans are subjected to additional quizzes and their applications are purposely, quote, flagged for fraud review. Diane Gallagher explains.
Food, frogs, flags. Those are just some of the topics a lawsuit claims the Georgia Department of Driver Services asked Puerto Ricans about in order to get a driver's license. Attorneys with the Latino Justice Organization and Southern Center for Human Rights filed the class action suit this week, accusing the state DDS of violating the Civil Rights Act by engaging in, quote, race-based stereotyping or implicit bias against Puerto Ricans.
If you're from Puerto Rico, you're scrutinized. They determined that only and solely because you're born in Puerto Rico and you have a Puerto Rico driver's license, a Puerto Rico birth certificate, that they need to investigate your file.
Latino Justice says it's representing at least 40 plaintiffs who say they were quizzed on random Puerto Rican topics. CNN has reviewed a document provided by Latino Justice that is labeled Puerto Rican Interview Guide, and it includes the trivia-style questions described in the lawsuit about baseball players, geography, popular dishes, slang, and politics. Some appear to be trick questions. The only named plaintiff, Kenneth Cabon Gonzalez, says he's been trying to get a Georgia license since October 2017. Attorneys say his documents have still not been returned and he can't work since he can't drive.
Why would a state single out simply individuals who are born in Puerto Rico, simply because they were born in Puerto Rico, as if they're not U.S. citizens, as if they're less than, as if they're second-class citizens?
The DDS says it has not yet received the lawsuit and can't comment on it, but noted that the department processes all driver's license applications in accordance with state and federal law. When asked about the origins of that guide, a spokesperson told CNN the document was not sanctioned and or authorized by DDS administration. Now, Ricardo Rosselló, the governor of Puerto Rico, released a statement on Wednesday asking Georgia Governor Brian Kemp to look into the allegations, saying this is absurd. Puerto Ricans are U.S. citizens and cannot be treated unequally in any U.S. jurisdiction.
Now, Georgia Governor Brian Kemp's office did respond to our request for comment on this, saying that, look, this is pending litigation, so they can't comment on the specifics of the claims, but did say that the governor had asked for the DDS commissioner to look into what's being alleged here, and also said that they do expect all state employees to treat everyone with dignity and respect.